about the chemistry between Babita and Jethalal?
Yeah, it's all.
Today is your day. Can we clap for him? Okay, so now he will ask some good questions. Come on. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes.
Why don't you look so smart? You are so.
What was your question?
Okay, so I don't want to ask. Okay, next question here. The stage will ask questions to the audience. You can walk in case you wish. Okay, so whatever questions you want to ask, you can. Anybody coming next to the stage? You can ask some funny questions, right? Some thought-provoking questions, some deep questions, profound questions. So whatever questions you wish, you can ask, right? So, ऐसा घबराना नहीं है, right? Let us enjoy the class. Okay, so who's coming next? Who would come? You can ask 5 questions, 6 questions. You can also ask open questions to everyone, right? Open questions means you are asking anyone. So anybody can stand up and answer. You can ask specific questions like, okay, my question is to you. Understood? And the people who are answering the questions, you should also appreciate them. Oh wow, good, amazing. Can we clap for him, guys? Can we clap for him? Amazing answer. Wow, what a beautiful thinking. Amazing. Good opinion. Nice. Excellent. So you also need to appreciate the people who answer the questions, right? In case you have an opinion, आपको लगता है कि यार you are not getting the right answers. If you have a different opinion, you can also share your opinion if you have, right? How many of you like Shah Rukh Khan? Raise your hands. You like Shah Rukh Khan, Ruchika? Why not? He's a superstar. Why don't you like him? Okay, so please could you please pass the mic to him? Why don't you like Shah Rukh? Yes.
So I don't have any reason to don't like, but
He's a superstar. Girls are crazy for him, about him. Why don't you
I'm
like
not
him?
crazy.
So what is the reason? Okay, you are Salman Khan's fan, right?
No, not Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, how many of you like Alia Bhatt? Alia Bhatt. No, nobody likes just because she has become a mother. Nobody likes her. Okay, who's your favorite actor? So I want this girl to answer the question. So could you please answer the question? Who is your favorite actor and why?
Yeah, as you asking about Alia Bhatt, she's a nice actor. When I saw her on movies, she just deliver her 100%, and the role she's playing, she just involved in that role very nicely, that we can relate the story very well. So that's it. She's a nice actress.
Okay, that's good. Can we clap for her? She gave such a beautiful answer. So could you please pass the mic to this man, this boy. Okay, so could you please stand up? I'll be asking a question to you. Who is your role model in life?
No one.
Why not?
I don't know.
ठीक है, समझ गए ना कैसे करना है? Okay, please take this. चलो आप आ जाओ. So can we call him? How is the Josh? How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
I don't think it's high. Okay, chalo. Okay, with lot of good energy, positive energy, he'll start, right? Come on, yes.
So I want to ask you guys, like, which is your favorite character from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma? And it's an open question, anybody can answer.
थोड़ा सा इसको fun डालो इस question में. थोड़ा सा fun डालो, मस्ती डालो इसमें, right? Add some. How many of you watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma? Raise your hand.
During dinner time.
ऐसे करो, पूछो पहले हमसे.
So how many of you watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma daily basis? No. Only you.
नहीं सब किसी ने हाथ खड़ा नहीं किया.
Who is your favorite character, Poonam, in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
It's the way he entertains and
What do you think about the chemistry between Babita and Jethalal?
yeah, it's also nice because when Jethalal come from his home, and if something happened with Jethalal and Daya stop him, and he interact with Babita, it was my favorite scene. Like, it is my favorite scene that it makes me laugh and enjoying.
And what about his fire brigade, Tarak Mehta? What do you think about him? Like he's a writer
I-
also. He writes for.
Yeah, he is writer also, and I think he's a true friend. Whenever they want each other, they find that they are in trouble.
Yes.
They they are with each other, so it is a very nice thing. And if we take reference of if we can give reference of friendship, so we can give reference of them, that we should have a friendship like Tarak and
Yeah.
Jetha.
Excellent. Can we clap for him? Now I want to know your opinion, Ayush. What do you
अरे
think?
बस एक क्वेश्चन को ज्यादा मत कीजिए, right? You can ask different questions, otherwise it will become very boring.
So, who is your favorite Khan in Bollywood out of three?
सबसे पूछ सकते हैं?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
my-
last again.
My favorite Khan is obviously the Shah Rukh Khan, not like you, who don't like without any reason. I like Shah Rukh Khan because of his dedication of his work. He always dedicated to his work. In fact, he put lots of effort in minute details.
What do you think about like he's promoting good car? Is it good as a role model? Should we choose him?
No, it's not good, but
Why you admire him? Like?
but people do such things for nowadays for money. Everyone
So is he really a good role model? That we should look up to him or not? As a celebrity, we all know that he
Yes,
has done so many good movies. But as
Yes,
a role
we
model,
lo-
is he good?
I know we should look up to him. I know he has some good bad qualities. He also a chain smoker, as you all know. But he started from scratch, and now he is a superstar of this
For his
industry
for his perseverance.
because his dedication, perseverance, of his optimism. He is also an optimism person.
Optimist.
He is also optimist. He find optimism in any situation. Whenever in recent time when his during the lockdown period, not even single movies of his came. But after a huge amount of time, 5 years I think, he made a huge impact. And that time he's not overthinking. Basically he's preparing for the time to come when the theater will open. When
His hype is real, basically.
Yes. He don't get demotivated because of the lockdown. Film can't release.
No,
Basically,
perfect. Can we clap for him, guys? Okay, so
किसी को ज्यादा मत बोलने देना, बस आपको लगे ना बहुत हो गया तो बस ताली बजा देना उसके लिए. Okay guys, can we clap for an amazing answer? Wow, what a great answer.
now
Okay.
here is my last question. Which is your favorite childhood memory? I want to know, Prachi. What do you think? Like, which is your favorite childhood memory when you feel very happy or sad? Like,
Actually, when I was in a 5th class, so I kept to KT in my pocket when I was went to school. So yeah, I went to school. So that is the bestest memory because I'm getting so much fun with this.
what's cake?
Gulal.
Okay, perfect, excellent. Can we clap for him, guys?
For her. Okay, so can we clap for him, everyone? Okay, he tried his level best, although it could have been much better. Okay, not an issue. I'm happy with the way he delivered. Okay, now I want someone else to come. Who's coming next to the stage? You need to ask some good questions to the audience. Okay, just have a good interaction with them. Make everyone laugh. Okay, enjoy the class. Okay, who's coming next? Param will come now. He never comes. He every day says that I'll come tomorrow. No, you have to come now. Today is your day. Can we clap for him? Okay, so now he will ask some good questions. Come on. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes.
Why don't you look so smart? You are so. Why don't you have a girlfriend? Okay. Achha, chalo. Okay, now you will ask. Come on. Start. So can we clap for him very loudly? Start. Come on, start. आपको पूछना है बेटा. अरे कुछ भी पूछ लो. इंग्लिश के बारे में पूछ लो. इंग्लिश कैसे सीखते हैं, कैसे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, आचार्य के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, मैम क्या सोचते हैं मैम के बारे में, सर के बारे में, ऐसे करके पूछ लो. ठीक है.
What do you think about acharyas?
I think it is a very good platform to learn English and build a very means confidence. And in Acharyas we learn new words or sentences and have a confidence to talk with strangers and talking to girls. So I think कि Acharya is means a good platform to learn so many things, means English and building confidence, interviews. So this is my answer.
Clap for him.
बैठ जाओ सोच के आना कल. Then we'll call him tomorrow, right? कोई बात नहीं, you came to the stage, that's a big achievement for me that I called you, right? Not for you. Okay, so now the next one, come on. Ruchika, would you come next? Why not? If not you, then who? If not now, then when? Okay, come on. Yes, come on, start.
Okay, my first question is that from all of you, how many of you like to have adventure in your life? Any adventure?
I want.
Any one of you?
Like adventure means, can you
Give some examples.
Adventure means adventurous thing which you want to do in your life. Maybe there will be a dream. Just like
Love marriage.
No,
That's an adventurous thing, right?
I'm not talking about that adventure. I'm talking about just I have a dream that I want to do a bungee jumping, skydiving, like that type, kind of.
Yes, I like, but I'm scared.
Yeah, same.
And others
I don't
have any.
that much courage, right?
Dream is dream.
So, could you please repeat the question?
How many of you like to have adventure in your life?
ऐसे आप बोलो, raise your hand.
Raise your
और आप
hand.
खुद भी अपना हाथ ऊपर करो.
Okay. There are lots of people. Okay, I want to know which was the most which is the adventure you will like to do right now. I mean, if you get a chance to do, then what is the one?
Right now.
Right now means if you get a chance to do any adventure, just if you have a chance to visit somewhere and do whatever adventure you want, which one is the one you wanted? Anyone?
I want to go to water park, and I want to enjoy the slides because
That's
it's getting very hot these days.
It's very nice because now the weather right now is like that only.
Yeah, that's right.
Anyone? Another?
I want to go to Rishikesh and do bungee jumping.
I want to go to Rishikesh and do bungee jumping.
Okay, that was nice. I also want to do that. Why are you laughing? Tell me what you want to do. You also raise your hand. Then what is the?
I don't raise my hand because I don't like adventurous thing because I am scared about.
He doesn't have the courage.
Yeah, I'm scared everything.
Are
I
you-
like water park but don't like that jump from anywhere. So
Not only jumping is the
He
adventurous
doesn't have the
thing.
courage, that boys
But
have.
not only jumping is the adventurous thing. There are lots of.
I like
things.
shooting.
Shooting.
Yeah, that could be.
Yeah,
Shooting.
Who?
gun shooting.
Shooting animals.
No, only that.
Balloons,
means
balloons.
जो होता है ना स्कोप डायरेक्ट.
Okay, understood. Yes.
What about you?
So I'm very keen about oceans. I'm very, oceans very fascinates me. So I want to dive deep into ocean, scuba diving. Yeah, that's what really fascinates me.
That's also nice one.
Wow, that's amazing.
That's amazing. So
Change. You can change the question.
Yes, please change the question.
Okay, you're done.
Please take your seat. Very good. Okay, so now the next one. Who's going next? You can ask really very good questions, right? You should also know how can we have an interaction with the audience, right? You want to go next? Okay, sure. Okay, please.
कैमरे में देखने ना पा रहे हो पूरे.
दूर की नहीं.
आप देखो तो पीछे दिखते हैं कैमरे में. चलो.
How many of you having a best friend? So tell. So You tell me who is your best friend in college or coaching? Who is your best friend? Take the mic.
I have one best friend in my during my masters. I met her by chance. I wasn't planning for any friendship at that time, but she is very good. She cares a lot.
What do you like in her?
She's like my mother. She cares about me. She always taught me if I am wrong. Yeah, she always teaches me if I am wrong. And if anything happened, she's always with me.
Very nice answer. Please clap for her.
इनको बोलना है ऑडियंस को प्लीज क्लैप. उसको ही बोल रहा प्लीज क्लैप.
And what is the favorite thing or movie or means जैसे तारक मेहता को कह सकते हैं सर एपिसोड सीरियल. सो व्हाट यू लाइक मीन्स तारक मेहता और that means cartoons. What do you like? What do you want to like to watch? Yeah, you can be sure.
I would like to watch cartoons like
Why?
Doraemon. Because I see
You don't like Tarak Mehta?
not too much, but little will like.
Which is the favorite character you like in Doraemon?
Nobita.
Why?
Because he is very innocent and he is very innocent. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry को थोड़ा हो जाता है.
Very nice answer. Please clap for him. My last question is for Param. Which is your favorite movie? Means you like Hollywood movies or Bollywood?
Both.
So which is your favorite Bollywood movie?
Spider-Man.
Bollywood.
हाँ बॉलीवुड में
शक्तिमान.
टार्जन द बंदर कार.
Who is your favorite actor?
एक्ट्रेस
Okay, who is your favorite actress?
रश्मिका मंदाना.
So you watch Pushpa?
Yes.
So what you like in Pushpa movie? This means
Picture is good.
picture is good. Why? Which part you like in the most in Pushpa movie?
All the parts I like.
Okay. Please clap for him. That's my time.
Chalo. Okay, now the next one. 5 minutes we have. We don't have much time, so I want someone to come next. Who's coming next to the stage? Come on. Anybody wishes to come? Would you come? Ayush आप आएंगे? Okay, Ayush is coming. Hemant, Prachi, कौन नहीं आया? Right?
Sir, can I ask question to anyone, including you and ma'am?
Yeah.
So I want to ask you, what's the cringiest thing you ever any person do to you? The cringiest thing any person do to
मेरे से
you?
पूछ रहे.
Yes. Cringiest.
Cringiest. मतलब cringe.
Cringiest.
सर मतलब
What is the meaning of cringiest?
Yes.
Means you find odd. Yeah, mean something odd.
News के अंदर
Out of the
नीचे.
case thing.
Okay, so like, could you answer the same question?
For me, one of my friends, we had a fight, and he writes a message on WhatsApp, and then he immediately blocked me. I can't even reply. So I think that's the cringiest.
Okay, so next question, please. You can ask more questions. Please ask simpler questions, right?
To you. So what one thing that's motivates? Okay. So what one thing that motivates you to get out of the bed and don't procrastinate?
As of now, I plan every day to do my work on the time. So in that situation, I every day think to wake up early and plan to according to my work. If I completed my work during the time duration, if I decided in that time I have to do that works, so that things I get motivation from that things.
Okay. Now I know your life is pretty well and also boring because you don't see anything amazing.
No, yes, I am thinking too much things in my mind. I visited somewhere also to take a fresh up also instead of doing a work. we have some different memories, and I have some good friends to create some memories with them.
Okay, good answers of yours. Have a clap.
Come on, ask very good questions. Everyone is feeling bored. Ask good questions. I'm telling him to ask the questions. Come on, ask.
I don't have any interesting question in my mind.
Okay, so let us do the reverse. You will ask him questions and he will answer the questions, right? So, but there is a thing that you need to keep in mind. If you want to ask a question, you just stand up and ask. Then again, you can sit down, right? Okay, so come on, yes, stand up, come on. Primanshu, you want to ask? Yes, come on, stand up, yes.
Is looking so funny. Some crazy.
Okay, please pass up the mic. Okay, yes, come on.
As you tell me that you are 25 years old, okay? So, what do you think, what is the correct age to get married?
It's a completely biased question. Like in Rajasthan, some people think it's good to marry at 10.
No, in your culture, you tell me by in your culture, what is the correct age to get married, not to go to Rajasthan.
According to me, I feel I need to do wedding when I feel stable in life. Right now I'm not stable, so I can't make any decisions. Okay. Right now I'm not stable, so I can't make any good decisions.
And suppose you get...
you just need to ask.
When I feel...
Pass the mic, please. Carry on.
So when I am emotionally stable, mentally mature to handle another person, and if for the financial stability is most important. When these factors get completed, then I think.
Okay, so I have a question for you. My question is, why don't you keep the mic closer all the times? Why your mic comes down always like this? It's a serious question. I have been, noticing this thing for past 10 days.
I don't have the habit to hold mic that often, so I think.
But how many times do I have to tell you the same thing?
So now I properly remember.
Sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You'll forget in next 2 minutes.
No. I know. It's near the third button of my shirt, so I know.
So my question is, that was not the question I wanted to ask you. My question is, what makes you different from others? Because I have noticed that, your questions are slightly different or your perspectives are very different from others. So that is my observation. What do you think? How do you, or what makes you different from others?
Most of the time when I talk to any strangers, I go with the flow of energies. Whatever the person in front of me have energy, I try to replicate that amount of energy. So in that way I can make some bonding with them. And for the questions, I think I read lots of books and I also use Pinterest where I find curious questions to ask about the person.
Okay, that's good. Anybody wants to ask him the last question? Okay, you want to ask? Okay. You need to stand up for asking.
You've been waiting for the long time to ask that.
Please come on, stand up.
What is the one things you need to change your life?
I want to change my life, to have a scheduled lifestyle. Right now, sometimes I try to fix my fixed schedule nowadays. Recently, for the previous week, I was waking at 11. Nowadays, I wake up at 8 to have a scheduled life.
So you find any improvisation in your life?
Yes, now I wake up at 8. Now I find lots of time in my hand. Previously, I thought I don't have that amount of time to do lots of things. Now I have time to do lots of stuff.
Very good. Nicely. Okay, he answered questions really very well. Okay, so now I want someone else, the last one for the day, and then we leave the class, right? We won't stretch the class much. So I want the last person to come to the stage for answering the questions. Okay, she's coming. Okay, so where is the mic? अरे बैठ जाओ भाई ले लेगी. Okay. Yes, come on. So you need to stand up and ask the questions.
If you have 24 hours, so how you spend your day?
It is a very nice question. I would like to answer this question in a way that definitely I want to spend my 24 hours with my loved ones. Because I find that we have very few time with our loved ones, and we should spend our if we get that this is the last time you have spent ever with your loved ones, so I would like to spend time with my loved ones in my last hours. That's it. Anyone of you?
One last question.
Yeah, of course.
What is more important, love or money?
Love or money?
Yes.
Of course, love. Love means love of family. Like, I consider love of family, not another person. The love our parents are given us is the most precious thing, and I don't think we ever do find the love that they given us. So I consider love the family, the parents the family, the parents given us.
So in the case of parents, love is important. In the case of marriage or husband, money is important,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So why money is so important for girls? Why love is not important in that case?
Don't make me laugh, Aditya. Yeah, sir, what was your question?
Like every day you come to the stage, you talk about money, but today you chose love just because you were thinking about your family, right?
Thanks.
So when it comes to marriage, when it comes to choosing a life partner, then all of a sudden money becomes very important.
Because there is some trust in that scenario. Today's scenario, trust issues are begin where we can't easily trust persons. I found the ratio of loyalty is also less. And if you got a toxic relationship, so it will also drain your emotional energy, mental energy, physical energy. So this thing isn't relevant with your growth. That's why girls are chasing money over love, because money gives all the happiness she wants in her life, that cannot be fulfilled by any relationship maybe. So that's why girls are chasing money rather than love.
Okay, so like what kind of things you're talking about that can give happiness to women? Like, what kind of things are you talking about? I don't have an idea. So could you please list the things that a woman wants?
First, the feeling of independentness. It is.
So how can you feel yourself to be independent with someone else's money?
Please don't make me laugh. I'm at a stage. So, yeah. What was your question?
Okay, so I don't want to ask. Okay, next question here.
So you are saying that. What are you saying? People usually say gold diggers to these types of persons.
These type of persons, they gold,
Especially girls. Like
Yes.
especially. Yeah, of course, gold digger is used for girls. The girls who are chasing others' money is not good. The girl who are chasing their own money, they're like the money she earned by her hard work. It's good. I'm not talking
It's
about
not a chase. Suppose you are earning, it's a earned money, not a chase money. When you are wedding, when you
chase
spend
money, like by my hard work I am chasing money, not by like someone's money I want to like to chase. That's it.
Okay, so if you want to be an independent girl, so why do you want a rich husband?
I never told that I want to rich husband. If I become independent, I want to find a ambitious person who with whom my understanding reaches very well. Our companionship is very well. Our compatibility is very well. So I am not demanding any rich husband. I just demand a husband who understands me very well, who supports me very well. I support him very well. That's it. And if you are independent, you are capable to anything. So I don't think girls should demand a rich husband. They should demand an ambitious husband.
Chaliye, okay, so that's good.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
please take your seat. Okay, so just let me know the feedback how this activity was.
Very good.
How was this activity? Did you enjoy? How many of you enjoyed this activity? But some people didn't come to the stage, right? I wanted everyone to come. Okay, so we have limited time for stage activities. So you need to take initiatives, come to the stage, right? I cannot call each and every one of you.